In this video, I will show you how to add custom functions to your WordPress website. First, open your preferred browser by left-clicking the browser icon. Then, in the search bar, enter your WordPress website credentials and log into your website. After logging in, you will be on the WordPress website homepage. In the left navigation bar, look for the option labeled Plugins. Hover over the option until you see more options pop up. Then click the Add New Plugin option. This will take you to the Add Plugins page. Here on the right side, left-click the search bar and type WP code, then hit Enter. Click Install on the matching search result. Wait a few seconds and then left-click the Activate option. Now in your left navigation bar, you will see a new option labeled Code Snippets. Hover over the new option with your mouse until you see more options pop up, then left-click the Add Snippet option. This will take you to the Add Snippet page. Now to add a custom function, you can use the presets or you can use the custom snippet option. For this example, we will use the custom snippet option. Simply left-click the Use Snippet button in the middle of the page. Here you can put the code in the dialog box. I'm going to use this custom code which lets me upload more file types to WordPress. Simply paste the code in the dialog box, give the snippet a name, and then left-click the Save Snippet button in the top right corner.